I'm blogging Brandy of RVersity, a university for RVers, and in this video I'm going to be taking you on a tour of a Class A RV and showing you what it really is. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to stay tuned until the end, because whether you're renting or buying, the process can be super stressful, but I have a few tips to help guide you through so you don't make the same mistakes that I did. Now, who's ready for the tour? I think you're going to like it. So here we have our Class A. This is the King Aire. This is made by Newmar. Newmar is a really cool brand. You can get a VIP service with them. You can pick it up at the factory, custom make it, pick everything you want. So this one's already made. We're gonna see what somebody's picked out in this one. Some of the other cool features you can notice is it says the ultimate driving experience, which that's talking about the comfort, drive, and steering. This is a unique feature on this model, and some other ones that are probably starting to feature this, where it's not just two wheels driving, all of your wheels are moving, so it gives you an easier drive. So let's head inside and let's see what they have going on inside. So we're here in the King Aire. Man, this is like my freaking condo up in here. Look at this. Look at these solid. Look, that's why I tell you, when you look at these other units, when you knock on the walls, that's how you know that this stuff is good. You hear this? This is like solid, nice finishings. I mean, oh my gosh, look at how nice this is. This is probably a TV that pops up out of here. We don't have this plugged in right now, but we have these nice lighting fixtures. I mean, look at all of this detail that's put into this. They have your chargers up here. Nice cabinetry. I mean, this cabinet is freaking solid. Look at this bad boy. Nice. This is really nice. You have your bar here. This is going to have your pop out. So this wall is obviously popped out. That's going to come in. But you have your island here. I mean, stainless steel appliances. Full size fridge right here. This is a rare thing. You get this in a lot of the buses. It just depends which ones you're in, but this is a full size fridge. Obviously, you gotta remember that takes more power to operate this. So these units have like 6, 8 batteries, sometimes more. You can see here, I mean, look at the detail work that's done in these chairs. I mean, it's just all, the custom finish in these are so nice. In here, we have our bathroom. I mean, look at these doors. This is a freaking solid wood door. Are you serious? Okay, that's quality. Seriously. The lights aren't on in here, but you can take a look around. You can even see the vent fan, how nice this decor is on the fan. Got a window back there, so you can... In here you can see we have, I mean, just this is all completely decked out. There's a seat in the shower, full functioning shower. And look at that closet back there. There's also, oh my god, there's a safe in here. There's a built-in, and then there's gonna be area for a washer and dryer hookup. As well. It could be in this unit right here. This is probably it. Maybe. Yep. Here you go. This is your washer and dryer. So these are made by Whirlpool. That's pretty good brands. You can see this is actually really good quality that's in here. Wow, that was the Mac Daddy of RVs. The Class A's are usually those big buses, but there's tons of different classes. It really depends on your lifestyle and your budget. If you're curious about the classes and you want to learn about them, I did make a video about the different sizes and classes of RVs. You can check that out in the description below this video. And if you're thinking about buying or renting an RV, then I've got a guide to help through the process. Link to it in the description below this video as well. I'm Brandy of RVersity, a university for RVers. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Wow, so I forgot what I was gonna say. My life. I need this like taped up or something. Let's start there. I forgot what I was gonna say.